How to get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. Here are some tips to help you achieve a good night's rest. 1. Set a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities before bed, such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation exercises. Avoid screens, phones, tablets, computers, at least an hour before bedtime, as the blue light can interfere with sleep. 3. Optimize your sleep environment. Ensure your bedroom is quiet, dark, and cool. Use earplugs, eye shades, or white noise machines if necessary. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. 4. Be mindful of your diet. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. These can disrupt sleep or make it difficult to fall asleep. 5. Stay active. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep. However, avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime. 6. Manage stress. Practice stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Keeping a journal to write down your thoughts can also help clear your mind before bed. 7. Limit naps. Long or irregular naps during the day can negatively affect your nighttime sleep. If you need to nap, keep it short, 20-30 minutes, and earlier in the day. 8. Get exposure to natural light. Spend time outside during the day. Natural light helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. 9. Limit liquid intake. Before bed, to reduce the likelihood of waking up to use the bathroom, try to limit your fluid intake in the evening. 10. Seek professional help if needed. If you consistently have trouble sleeping, consider consulting a healthcare provider. Conditions like insomnia, sleep apnea, or restless leg syndrome can interfere with sleep and may require treatment. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, help you achieve a